Where to find the best sites? Howdy! You want more information about tune-up specifications for the 1964 Ford Falcon? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about tune-up specifications for the 1964 Ford Falcon is www.tpocr.com. See the page titled 1960-64 Falcon Tune-up Specifications, the Poorman's Off. This is the link. You can also try www.fossilcars.com, especially the page 1964 Ford Falcon O'Fallon, Illinois, fossilcars.com. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.autoservisan.repair. The web page tune-up specifications for the 1964 Ford Falcon Auto. Here's the link.